According to science, this is the best way to cook an egg. Last week, scientists published a groundbreaking new study in the Journal of Nature on an unusual topic: how to cook a truly perfect hard-boiled egg. While boiling an egg may seem like the easiest thing imaginable, getting it exactly right is actually a bit of a scientific conundrum. You see, egg white and egg yolk actually require different temperatures to cook, with the white cooking at a much higher temperature than the yolk. This means that fully cooking the egg, enough to cause the whites to completely set, will also overcook the yolk. But is it possible to cook the white and yolk at each of their optimal temperatures without cracking open the egg? Using some fancy computational fluid dynamics and thermal imaging, the study discovered that by cycling the eggs between boiling water and lukewarm water at precise intervals, you can actually achieve the perfect internal temperatures for both the egg and the yolk. Specifically, their methodology calls for switching the eggs from a pot filled with boiling water to a pot filled with water heated to 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Do this 8 times for a total cook time of 32 minutes and you'll have a perfectly cooked hard-boiled egg with a fully set white, but deliciously soft and flavorful yolk. And finally, the paper says to finish by running the egg under cold water to stop any further internal cooking from taking place. Let's see how we did. And look at that, a perfectly cooked egg. The egg white is fully cooked, no runniness to it at all, and yet the center remains soft and gooey. Just for comparison, I compared a normal hard-boiled egg and a soft-boiled egg, so you can see the difference. In the soft-boiled egg, both the yolk and the white are slightly runny. And in the hard-boiled egg, you can see the chalkiness I was talking about before. The yolk basically has the same texture as clay, and about as much flavor too. Meanwhile, the thermocycled egg is delicious. Now, was this worth it? No, definitely not. This process requires constant attention over half an hour and demands a level of precision higher than a college chem lab experiment. Still, if anyone ever builds a machine to cycle these eggs for you, they might make some money. Anyway, at least now you know that.